Hello YouTube, it's me, Lucas Bentley. I will now apologize for my absence. I'm a senior in high school now, and I have a lot of work that I have to do to graduate. So that's why I haven't been doing very many videos for you guys. And I really do apologize, and I hope you can understand. I do care about you guys, I do make videos when I can, but I have to get my jobs done. All my work, I have to get it done. I want my best grades as I can get as a senior, so I can get into a good school. But, so, you get the idea. Okay, so I'm gonna take you up my treehouse again. Yeah, that's right. Our favorite place to go. So this is Burping 44, I believe. Let me get to the top of the treehouse. Well, not the top, just the top is higher than I'm gonna put you. There you go, yeah, that's a good place. So anyway, like I said, I apologize. Sun in your eyes? It's mine. There. The sun's still in my eyes, but oh well. Okay. So I'm sorry, like I explained before. Let's just get on with the burping now, okay? That's what you guys are always here for. My most popular videos. Today I'm going to try to do long burps. Oh God. Sorry guys. That was somewhat long. I tried to spell ass. Don't ask me why. Okay, now the big burps. I really don't care. Screw the long ones. Just do whatever happens. That one was terrible. That was pretty good, I guess. What's up? YouTube. And hello, my friend. And some guy, a couple burping videos back, wanted me to say his real name. Hello, Franco. Hold on. Give myself a pat on the shoulder. Tasted horrible. Tasted like nacho cheese. No, I'm just kidding. That would have been horrible. I love nachos, but nachos and cheese tasting burps. Don't ever try it. that was a good one. I usually do better than this, guys, no offense. I'm just not feeling it today. But I still keep burping. God, that one hurt. Ooh, that one was amazing. That's good. One more big burp. And then I'm going to cut this loose. That was the strangest burp I've ever done. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I did. Except now I'm coughing. Okay. If you like this video, click that like button down there and subscribe, my friends, because I got more videos for you to check out. Check out more videos on my channel, and like I said, click that like button down there and subscribe. Peace.